Welcome. We're going to go through some recent sales of ephemera items. We have some print ads, we have some postcards, we have some sheet music, and we have a little bonus item that's kind of related to print ads, but not quite a print ad. So let's begin right out of the gate with a bang. This one from 1905, Coca-Cola, legendary product. Obviously, $50 on this guy. This was a small ad. Let's see what the dimensions are. 7 by 5 inch on this one, $50. Great sale, but you could kind of tell why. You know, the uniqueness of the ad itself. Look at that. A lot of detail. You got the little girls there. You got the women in their beautiful hats and gowns. You got the guy in the top hat. And you have this well-to-do businessman. As you can see right there. Coca-Cola, favorite drink with businessmen. Refreshes the weary, brightens the intellect, and clears the brain. All for just a nickel, folks. So nice sale there to kick it off. Here's the bonus item. It's something I've spoke about before that I sell with some frequency, but I figured I'd bring this one up. $9 for a business reply card. It's just a subscription card that's kind of in the middle of just about any magazine you'll ever find, but Life has plenty of them. You know, they would try to get you to buy the next year's subscription. Just a little piece of cardboard that's in the middle, typically, and you can see right there. This one from, what year was this one? 57. So 56 magazine, talking about getting a subscription for 1957. All right, the next print ad, this is what I mentioned last night on my chat show, but this ad was listed on an evening and sold the next day for whatever reason. So it just goes to show not every piece of paper is going to be long tail. It really depends on who's online and looking for a specific product. Well, this is a product called Energetic Shoes. Get it? Energetic. 1950, this was from a magazine we listed on a recent live listing show as well. You can see I have a 25% off sale going right now on all my print ads, so this sold for the $9 plus shipping. Another oldie from 1905, this one sold for $12 for Rexel, antiseptic tooth powder, basically toothpaste, but it's in powder form. The dimensions here are 6 by 3, and that one sold relatively quickly as well. 1905, Rexel antiseptic tooth powder. Up to 1919, this ad is for Pears soap, sold for $12. Kind of a nice image here as well. I'm pretty sure we listed this on a listing show. I'm not positive. Let me know in the comments if you remember listing this, but you got the image of the robin singing there and the young lady waking up at dawn. Very nice ad. Up to 1946, just post-World War II, for this Wurlitzer jukebox ad, sold for $11.24 because of the 25% off sale that I'm running currently. Nice ad here too. Let's take a look at it. For the jukebox, you're talking just barely post-war here. You can kind of tell by the outfits. Look for the musical note. You can see all the different types of music that they're talking about. Beautiful ad. 1933, an advertisement for Listerine toothpaste. This one sold for $12 prior to me running my sale. 1943, my wheelhouse here with the World War II ads. This one is the Bruiser. It's a Lockheed Martin, now known as Lockheed Martin. At the time, it was just Lockheed Aircraft from World War II. There's the top half of this ad. There's the bottom half. This one sold for $12. Another one during World War II. This is kind of interesting. Coca-Cola, of course, being Coca-Cola. And so it's an advertisement about a family traveling to Iceland, looks like, right there. Breaking the ice with a bottle of Coca-Cola. Very nice looking advertisement. A little scruffy here because this is a back page advertisement. So again, as long as you kind of indicate that, the buyer's usually happy. It's just the image itself is just so cool. It's a 1966 for a 2-pager. It's for the Malibu Sport Coupe. This one sold for $15. You can see I indicate right here 2 separate pages. This way nobody thinks that it's a true centerfold. Some of them are centerfolds, but this one is 2 separate pages that I've just joined with my photo editor. So that one sold $15. Another one from 1966. You can see $11.99. Took a best offer. I think it was $10 for the Colonel, Kentucky Fried Chicken. Pretty standard advertisement here. Colonel Sanders. And now we're going to head over to some postcard sales, including this one that just sold probably an hour before filming. This is a very nice looking ad from way back. It's postmarked in 1906. It's an undivided back. Very nice imagery there of a horse and carriage and kind of a main street. Town Square, it says right there, Plymouth, Mass. Sold for $9.89. Another Massachusetts postcard from Springfield. This one took a best offer of $8 on it. Springfield, Massachusetts, Water Shops, Army Equipment, and Pond. Next one is a more recent. You could tell just by the cars and the image. It's a chrome card from a town called Marmora, New Jersey. Took a best offer of $8.50 on this one for a place called Wayside Village, just a shopping center. There it is right there. So $8. One of my favorite types of postcards so far, because I have so many of them listed, are World's Fair cards. I have a bunch from the 1939-1940 New York World's Fair, and I also have a bunch from the 64-65 World's Fair. This one sold. This is the IBM pavilion. You can see it says Postcard World Peace Through World Trade, IBM. International Business Machines. Obviously sold for $10. Ironically, on the heels of World War II. So, world peace indeed. And here's another postcard. This is the courthouse in West Palm Beach, Florida. Took a best offer of $6.50 on this one. Simple little linen card. Very nice looking, though. Depiction of a courthouse with the palm trees. Next card is from New London, Connecticut. It's Fort Trumbull, the chapel interior chairs, the U.S. Maritime Service. So it's just an image of a chapel and the chairs inside of this Fort Trumbull. $8.70 on that one. Massachusetts, again, Lowell, Massachusetts. This is a steamer, a type of boat right there. You can see the Willow Dale is the name of the boat, and it's on a lake. That one sold, took a best offer also of $8.50 on that card. World's Fair time again, $39.40. Got this one sold for $9. It's an image of the Lagoon of Nations and the dirigible up there vis-a-vis a blimp. I'm sure that's what sold that one. Nice image. You can see the blimp up in the corner there. $9. A Christmas card, a Christmas postcard. This one sold, and I'm positive we listed this on one of my listing shows probably back in December, maybe January. Took a best offer of $9 on this one with the red rose hat. $9. This postcard, postmarked back in 1904, an undivided back card from Lakewood, New Jersey. The Causeway, Georgian Court. Looks very nice. Almost looks like a real photo, but don't believe it is. Regardless, got $8.79 for that one. All right, we're going to finish off this video with a couple of sheet music items that have sold for me. This one I took a best offer of $8. This is called One Morning in May from 1933, Hoagie Carmichael. Popular song, vintage sheet music. There's the cover, image of the music. So $8 on that one. Next one from 1936. This is Tormented by Ina Ray Hutton and the Melodiers. Nice image on that one. Mid-30s, 1936, $10.49. And rounding out this one, wouldn't you know, a buyer from Alabama picked this one up. Alabama Moon, kind of a classic song. This sheet music dates from way back in 1920. Took a best offer of $16 on this one. I had it up for $16.49. They offered $16. Gleefully accepted and sent out their beautiful piece of sheet music. So thanks everybody for coming in. I know it's been a long time since I've done one of these videos, but thank you so much for checking it out. Please do leave a thumbs up on your way out the door if you enjoyed this content, so it could be shared out to other individuals who might find this stuff interesting. And if you have not yet subscribed, please take a moment, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell to find out when I'm going live, or we have new videos being produced. The live shows are typically Monday and Friday evenings around 7 o'clock. We do chats, we do live listing shows, usually with vintage print ads, but if you guys have any other suggestions for stuff you'd like to see on live listing shows, please leave a comment below on this video. Thank you very much, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.